everyone. I'm Maggie LaBranche Gonzalez, and I'm an attorney with Litherland Kennedy and Associates. We're an estate planning and elder care law firm located in Campbell, California. Today, I thought I would answer a question that I get more frequently than I would like, and that is why you should hire an attorney to prepare your estate plan. Yes, people ask the attorney why they should hire an attorney to do their estate plan. So I thought I would answer that today. So, number one, legal expertise. If you are getting your estate plan off of Google or some software or your friend down the street, you're not getting the expertise that you may want. See, estate planning attorneys have a lot of knowledge of local laws, state laws, federal laws, taxes, how different laws intersect, divorce, things like that. We went to law school, right? We graduated, took the bar. You're going to get that legal expertise that you're not going to get from Google or other estate planning software. Number two, ethical standards. See, attorneys have to practice at the highest level of care. They are held to the highest ethical standards. We are actually required to take continuing education credits every year. So, the state bar in California requires attorneys to take 25 hours of continuing education every 3 years. At our office, we are part of the American Academy of Estate Planning Attorneys, and we're required to take 36 hours of continuing education every single year. Again, you're not going to get that from Google or other estate planning software, or if you do it yourself, unless you're a legal expert, right? Why else would you want to hire an attorney? Interpersonal and practical experience. Believe it or not, you are not the first estate plan that we've prepared, right? We have experience. We've seen a lot of family dynamics. A lot of the situations we see, we might have an answer for, or maybe we've even, had the situation in our own family. So we can sort of understand the dynamics of what's going on and try to build a plan that's really meant for you. What we always say is there's no right or wrong answer. There's no cookie cutter answer. If you're, downloading your forms off of Google, building them yourself using software, you're going to get a cookie cutter estate plan that might really not be best for your needs. So you want to make sure that's one of the reasons why you have an attorney so that we can build a plan that works best for you, your family, your goals, all of that stuff, and make it really an estate plan that's for you. And finally, one of the reasons you may want to have an attorney is having the objective voice. I just mentioned it, family dynamics. Having that arbitrator, the person who can mediate some of the maybe family squabbles, or maybe just if you're a married couple, you want one thing, your spouse wants another thing, or your partner wants another thing. How can we come together and make a plan that works for everyone? Again, we've seen it and we're a good objective voice. We can step back from the family dynamics and say, I think this works, or here, let's talk about some different options and how this can work for you. So, rather than saving some money, having a plan that maybe not might want, it might work for you, but it might not be the best for you, going and getting the Google or the legal software, really having the attorney have your back and prepare the estate plan that works best for you, your family, or goals. That's the reason why you want the attorney. So if you have any other questions, you want to attend a webinar, our information is below. Thanks for watching.